Folks, we've added a special twist to the assault mode. Our contestant will only have access to weapons placed in the battle course. Good luck!
Just kill this little runt already?
Have you ever seen the Diablo in the pale moonlight? I have, and it's fantastic! Ratchet has reached the halfway point. He's really tearing it up out there, folks. Oh, it's time to play Bargain Turkey Shoot. This challenge tests our contestants' speed and accuracy. contestants did.
Ratchet, you have now unlocked the Valix Belt campaign.
We're live today from the Valix asteroid belt, home of the legendary Gamma energy beam. This famous space beacon was purchased several years ago by Gleeman Vox. Now, instead of guiding ships through deadly asteroids, it's the centerpiece of Dreadzone's hottest new battle course. And just for fun, we've gone ahead and turned the beacon off. Can Team Darkstar turn it back on, or will hundreds of ships crash blindly into the asteroids? Either way, it's gonna be a great show!
Ratchet, my screen shows a hover ship inside the hangar bay.
Red Zone home game. And that Lombax is terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we?
Ratchet, there are additional gadgets available on your secondary quick select screen.